So we've downloaded our package, our game package 2, into our downloads. There it is. So now we're going to come to our brand new project and we're going to import that package. So we head up to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. And then we find that package, which went into my downloads, and I double click and it starts the compression of the package. Well, actually it prepares the package to show you what's going to be decompressed, I should say. So this is everything that was within the BGD 121 game, as well as up to the level manager portion of the BGD 122. So I import package. It takes a while. I mean, this process took 15 minutes for me. Just want to give you that heads up. But once the package is imported, it imports everything. So the first thing you want to check is if there are any errors and what those errors are. And this one's telling me that there is something that I need to make sure that is corrected. And there are a few little assets that are missing. So I head back over into the game and I open the scenes folder and open the scene so I can see exactly what's happening. Oh no, the dreaded pink. This pink is due to texture errors. There are textures missing for this. It just happens to be on the water. So everything else looks pretty good. So it's just the water. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually go into the standard assets and show you that there are two folders for water here. So what needs to be done is to be re-imported. Those particular areas, just re-import them. So I head over to the assets store, which I had imported my standard assets in, and I wait for it to load. And then I go to the little assets that I've downloaded before. Click on that. There's a list of all these assets I've used in projects. So I select the import of the standard assets. And what happens is it prepares its package to show me what is inside of there. Then what I'm going to do is just select the water of this. So I'm going to unselect everything. Everything is unselected, and then I'll just find that little water area and import that. And that is located in the environmental area. So they do have something for water in the editor, and what that is scripts. And we don't want those scripts. What we want is the water within the environmental settings. So I'm just kind of closing some of these folders so you can see exactly where I'm going. Well, you know what? There were some tree errors I saw down in the console. Something about, you know, missing tree prefab or something. So I'm just going to import those as well. So I'm selecting my speed tree and I'm going to collapse that. And then I'm going to find the water and select it, and I might as well select the other water option as well. Nothing else to be selected. Import. And that imports back into the project, and once that import is completed, we'll see if it corrected the horrible pink texture, which means missing textures. If you see pink, it's an error. Error. So I'm going to head back over to my scenes window and look. The water looks beautiful once again, so that actually helped my project. One other thing I had to do in this project was work with the text, the user interface text. Those had fails and did not work, so I had to bring them in. You can see they're not even showing here as I'm playing, and that's the reason why.